Hello everybody. Today we're gonna continue with your playlist. So let's start here a new parametric part. And to start the solid part of today, I ask you guys to go here on sketch command, select the XZ plane, and to create this part, we there are different ways to create this part, but I want you guys to try to create all the solid body in only in a single profile. If you guys create the same profile I'm creating here, you can you'll be able to perform the very same solid that I'm creating here. Okay, this line here is not vertical, so come here in the constraint horizontal vertical command and select this line. And now I ask you guys to go here on constraint coincident, select this line and the origin point. Do the same thing with this other line here. Okay, now let's create some dimensions. Right here you can put 40 for this line, 22 and a half. This other here, 10 millimeters. It's actually a diameter of 20, but I ask you guys to put 10. And select this line, the axis line, and this other line here. You can actually put here 35 bar 2. Then I'm gonna have 17 and a half. And to continue here, let's create another dimension between these two lines, 2 millimeters. Select this another two lines and 2 millimeters. Okay, that's it. That's our profile. So let's leave this cat. Go here on leave sketch comment, and we could actually already select the revolution command. But if you guys do that, pay attention that the vertical sketch axis is the type of of the axis. But I would like to ask you guys to change here. Select reference instead of using the vertical. I ask you guys always to select the respective line that you need to create the revolution. If you are new in the FreeCAD program, actually we are doing, we are making a revolution with this profile around this line, using this line as axis. 360, okay. 360 degrees, okay. And go here for in view and select persistent section cut. If you guys hold Ctrl and tap the right arrow on the on your on the keyboard, will this window will appear on the right. Maybe it's not here. Maybe it's right on the left side of your screen. Anyway, as you can see now, you can see make a cut here to see the section of our part. Okay, so that's what you got right now. Let's continue. I ask you guys to create a new sketch on the same very plane, the XZ plane. Before I continue, oh sorry, Control R, right arrow to remove this window. And right here, I ask you guys to select the view section to, to create a section on the grid of this cat. And right here, I ask you guys to go on create slot command. On the slot commands right here, I'm going to create this slot here, and I ask you guys also to create a line inside of the of this future and make the line construction. Why? I use this. I'm used to use like in Katia V5. I like to have this line that make me have more control under this profile. What I'm going to do right now, ask you guys to go on constraint command, select this line and select the origin point. Now I have a reference with the with the center of the part. And I want to make this line turn vertical. Okay, good. Now let's create some dimensions here between the origin point and here, 20.5, and right here, 15. And between these two lines, you guys tap 8. Okay, let's continue. Go to the pocket command and you can select here through all symmetry to plane. Okay, let's take a look right here. Again, hold Ctrl and tap the right arrow on your keyboard. Okay. When you use this command, sometimes some features in your part will disappear. It's not just like that. Go here on your specification tree and tap here on the last icon. Then everything more will appear for you. Okay. Let's continue. And now I want to create another pocket, but to do that, I ask you guys to create a new plan. To create this new plan, try to do the very same way I'm going to do right now. Go here on datum plane command, and between the attachment mode, I ask you guys to select the plane face. After that, try to expand the specification tree and select the same plane that we used to create the sketch. After that, go here on around the y-axis and tap here. I want to develop of 45. Okay, you can go to OK. And right now, what I'm going to do, I need this plane to create a new scat. I do not need to see this plane, so try to hide here on the specification tree. And well, tap section view, and let's create here a rectangle. I want to create a symmetry of this rectangle, but before that, do something for me. I want you guys to select the profile. Why select the profile? Because I need this command right here. I need the symmetry command, symmetry command, but it's not enable. Select before, then the command will be enabled. Select this command, and before selecting the symmetry axis, I ask you guys to tap here, create symmetry constraints. And just select this line and it's done. Now we have two rectangles and they have symmetry constraints. Let's continue. Let's create here some dimensions. "16." Okay. And I need to create a distance between this face and this line. To do that, we need to create a projection. Select the Create External Geometry. Select this edge and, well, that's it. Now you can create the dimension. I hope you guys are seeing all the dimensions on my screen. Now confirm the sketch modifications, go to Pocket Command, and right now you can select here True All and Symmetry to Plane, and that's it. Let's continue. Select this face and try to create a sketch of a circle. I do not need dimension of the circle because we're going to use whole command. And what I'm going to do here, on profile, change to isometric regular profile. I want you guys to select TM14. The dip you can change here for 16. And to make sure it's a thread, go here on threaded. Change dip, hold dip to dimension and tap here 14. Okay, that's it. You can press OK. We're almost finished our part. Now I ask you guys to go here on chamfer command. Oh, sorry, wrong. Chamfer command. Select this face and I want half millimeter right here. Okay, now let's go to fillet command. Select this edge and this edge and half millimeter as radius. Okay, our part is complete. Control arrow S right arrow on your keyboard, and if you guys want to see the section of the section cut in our part, that's it. It's looking good. Now it's time to go to the draft. Oops, select the last command here. Okay. Now change the commands here from part design to tech draw and go here on insert page using template command. Look for A3 landscape advanced. A3 landscape advanced. Yes, this one. Select the body on your tree, specification tree, and go to insert view command. And I want the front view and I want isometric view. Now we need two more views on our layout. Go here on section view command. Select the front view and you can use here the second method. If you're not seeing your view, make sure to tap here live update. And we need to change the line of the section. You can do that, changing the value in the Z. Right here on Z, change the value. Make sure to be almost this place in the front view, somewhere right here. Okay, I'm not going to give you the right value I'm using, because maybe your part is different. So make sure the line of the section view stay around here. Okay, I want to create another view. Select the front view and tap again the same command. And this time will be to the right side. Okay. Okay, here. And before we continue with the dimensions, I want you guys to pay attention for one thing. We have a thread in this part. So make sure to create some specific annotations here. Okay, you need to create this one and another thread an annotation here. Go to this first command, select this and this. Oh, sorry, you need to tap Control before. Okay, now let's create some dimensions. This guy need a diameter symbol, diameter icon, and another dimension here. We need here to be a thread dimension, so double click here and let's create an arbitrary chest. Instead of that, put here m and 14. I want you guys also to create center line here. Go here on insert certain line. Oh, sorry. Okay. I need to increase this line. We're almost finished. And I want to ask you guys another thing. I want to create here. I want to insert an annotation here. Select this command and double click here. I want you guys to tap chamfers points half x 14. Now tap Alt key and tap 167. Okay, degrees. And you can add here. And I want to create another one. I forgot to tap key. Do the same thing on the first one here, please. So if we do that, we do not need to create the dimension. And that's all for today. See you guys in the next video.